Let's cook breakfast with me. For today's video, I'm gonna make egg sandwich. We have bread, of course eggs, cheese, mayo, and ketchup.
Mommy, what are you cooking?
Egg sandwich.
I don't want egg sandwich.
You want egg sandwich?
No, I don't want.
No. You said you want it. That's why I wake up early.
No, Mommy.
Mommy.
I just said I want egg sandwich.
Yes, you said that.
No, I didn't.
And this is the finished product. It's perfect. This is Ate Katniss breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
And this is Ate Isa's plate. No ketchup.
Thank you, Mommy. Mommy, can you do my hair like this only? And then
Okay,
like
eat
put down
first.
and then you put here?
Okay, baby. Eat first. Finish your food. You like apple, baby?
I'm just trying to make a circle for the caterpillar face because I'm going to make a caterpillar.
Okay, I wanna see it.
Look, can you see the eyeballs right here? And this is the nose. The caterpillar doesn't have mouth, and here's the head.
Wow. That's a
Caterpillar!
caterpillar.
That's excellent.
Okay, eat now. Kaya hindi naka-uniform yung mga bata dahil kailangan nilang magsuot ng eyeliner. Moro mark yata. Parang galang kung magluto ng breakfast kasi my kids usually like to eat at school. Kakain lang sila dito sa bahay kapag may request sila. Katulad kanina, request nila yung egg sandwich. Kami naman ni Daddy Ken, okay na kami sa kape at tinapay, biscuit, gano'n. Inaalala ko, may kukwento pala ako. May customer ako kahapon. Ako yung server nila. Dalawa sila, si Mr. Lorenzo and Mr. Basio. Napakabait nila. Mag-asawa daw sila. Nakakwentuhan ko sila. Alam ko, isa sa kanila nasa military. So, hindi sila taga rito. Naka-base lang sila dito ng isang buwan lang. Oh my God, my baby is awake na. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gising na yung bunso. Come, baby. Come, I'm washing the dishes. Standby nila, guys. Hindi sila katulad ng mga ibang customer na parang hirap mong i-approach kasi again, oh my God, no. At umakyat na naman siya sa table. Hindi mo na maalis na may mga ganun talagang customer, nagmamalita, ganun, mahirap i-approach. Pero sila sobrang gaan ng, I don't know, sobrang babay, sobrang friendly nila. So, pagkatapos ng magbabayad na sila, nagpipirma na sila ng nagbayad sila sa credit card. Oh my God! Gising na din yung isa. More dead. Okay, where's your milk? Nagbayad na sila ng credit card, nagpipirma na sila. Tinanong ako ni Mr. Lorenzo, tinanong ako na dalawa na, do you have Venmo? Sabi ko wala. Kasi they're gonna give tip daw sa akin. Pero gusto na lang i-Venmo. Kasi they wanna make sure na makukuha ko yung tip. Sabi ko wala akong Venmo. Pero makukuha naman yung credit card tip sa akin. So nagbigay sila. Natutuwa ako hindi dahil nagbigay sila ng tip. Natutuwa ako dahil napakabait nila. At hindi sila mahirap i-serve. Oh, sorry. At hindi sila mahirap asikasuhin. So paano kung matatapos tong mga dishes? JJ, TJ. Gising na yung dalawa. Huh? You wanna wash the dishes? Yes! Oh my God! No! You don't know how to wash dishes yet. So, natutuwa ako sa mga ganong customer, guys. Hindi naman lahat ng customer ay pare-pareho, no? Hati, yung mga customer may mga ugali, may mga mababait. Minsan nakakainis yung mga nagmamaldita, diba nakakasiga ng araw. But yun yung trabaho natin, nasa customer service tayo. So, yeah, medyo nasasanay na rin ako. But yeah, I appreciate it so much kung mabait ka sa server mo. Okay, parang nawala na ako sa kwento ko. So hanggang doon na lang. Bye-bye! Ang kulit. For watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Hindi na ako natapos.